U.S. stocks gained traction early Monday, before ending the day mixed but still in record territory. The S&P 500 index was broadly unchanged to close the session at 5,021.84. The Dow Jones climbed 0.33% to end at 38,797.38, while the Nasdaq lost 0.30% to finish at 15,942.55. Diamondback Energy Index rose over 9% as one of the top gainers in the first half of the session, alongside VFC, which climbed nearly 14% for the day. The biggest decliner is MSA, down over 3.2%. Nasdaq Composite rose more than 2% last week, and the S&P 500 posted gains for the fourth consecutive week to post a record high closing above 5,000. Dow Jones underperformed and was virtually unchanged for the week. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics announced on Friday that it revised the monthly Consumer Price Index increase for December lower to 0.2% from 0.3%. Dallas Federal Reserve Bank President Lori Logan said that there is no urgency to cut interest rates. Logan acknowledged that there has been tremendous progress on bringing down inflation, but noted that she would want to see further evidence on inflation to confirm the progress is durable. The U.S. Department of Labor reported that there were 218,000 initial jobless claims in the week ending February 3, down from the previous week's revised 227,000. On Tuesday, the BLS will release January CPI data. The headline annual CPI is forecast to rise 3% on a yearly basis, at a softer pace than December 3.4%. The core CPI, which excludes volatile food and energy prices, is expected to increase 3.8%. Later in the week, January retail sales, industrial production, and producer price index (PPI) data will be featured in the U.S. economic calendar. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.